With Rift being gone, our best option for gear is once again hunts. And with hunts, we have quick battles, we get 10 a day. Right now there's an event which gives us another 10, so that's 20, and if you buy monthly pack 1, that is 30. So anywhere from 10 to 30 quick battles a day, depending on your spending and depending on events. But the best way to use those quick battles, in my opinion, is into Katie's Hunt, because Katie's Hunt is just by far the most annoying hunt to farm. It's slow if you're one-shotting compared to the other ones. It's slow if you're doing like standard clerics compared to the other ones. So Katie's is the best place to use those quick battles, and there is a relatively easy to set up 3-man team. Lionheart Zermia is the hard one to get here, of course, because she's at ML5 and she hasn't been good in a very long time. So if you don't have her, then that sucks. If you do have her already, then you can use her here. For replacements, I tried Midnight Lilius was the main one I tried. And she kind of works, though a little bit inconsistently. So I tried out both 3-man teams with lower end gear just to see how well it would work. And Midnight Lilius definitely gets more consistent the better your gear is. Whereas Lionheart Zermia was pretty much 100% regardless. It gets faster, which doesn't really matter when you're quick battling with higher end gear. So the clips I have from using the lower end gear is actually from like 6 months ago when Fire Rift ended. I never released anything because Rift started back up, so I just didn't bother. But I'll show you guys the runs and the stats with the worst builds, and then I'll show you the runs and stats with my current builds as sort of a higher end version of the 3-man teams. For Tamarin, all that really matters is her HP and speed. The effectiveness is useless since there's no buffs for her to strip, and the F-res isn't too useful unless you go to 200, which could be nice to resist the boss's speed down, but it's not really that important. Most of Soren's stats for Brieg are his HP, defense, and speed. Extra stats can go into crit chance and crit damage, but I focus more on the bulk first because he's going to be taking most of the damage during the fight, and speed is nice to help him cycle through his S2 as well. Last up is Lionheart Zermia. I'll also be breaking her imprint and moving Tamarin and Brieg into the slots where they aren't affected by it. For her, you just need defense, speed, crit chance, and crit damage. HP isn't too important since she's not really taking that many hits, though Brieg does tend to die at the end of runs, especially with lower end gear, so you might want to make sure you have enough HP so that Lionheart Zermia doesn't die as well. Her S2 cooldown is only 2 turns, so she's pretty much constantly going to be activating it, and she's rarely going to be getting hit.
때가 되었다. 주제 모르는 자의 자만 가스로운
빛이여 나에게 힘을. 나는 영웅의 운명을 타고난 자, 운명의 맹세코 너를 베어주지. 저리 가세요. 라라라. 미지를 밝히는 등불이여. 헉! 사자는 토끼를 잡을 때도 최선을 다하는 법이거든.
진심을 다해야 이기겠지. 무의미한 타락을 거듭할수록 네 가치는 사라질 뿐이다.
저리 가세요. 차. 지쳤어? 이제 시작인데? 새 노래를 들어주세요. 신사숙녀 여러분.
주제 모르는 자의 자만 가스로운
얼른 할게요. 나는 영웅의 운명을 타고난 자, 운명의 맹세코 너를 베어주지. 빛이여 나에게 나에게 힘을. 반짝이네. 점점 불타오르는데. 너 마음에 들었어. 차.
정령왕실 힘은 어리석은 탐욕을 위해 베풀참입니다.
짠. 지쳤어? 이제 시작인데? 사자는 토끼를 잡을 때도 최선을 다하는 법이거든. 허! 미지를 밝히는 등불이여. 나는 영웅의 운명을 타고난 자, 운명의 맹세코. 너를 베어주지. 뭐해?
어설픈 주제 모르는 자의 자만 가스로운
빛이여, 나에게 힘을. 사자는 토끼를 잡을 때도 최선을 다하는 법이거든. 허! 지쳤어? 이제 시작인데? 새 노래를 들어주세요, 신사숙녀 여러분. 자, 여기에요. 그럼 가볼까? 점점 불타오르는데? 너 마음에 들었어. 허! 미지를 밝히는 등불이여. 반짝이네. 사자는 토끼를 잡을 때도 최선을 다하는 법이거든.
Yep, that was a 4.5 minute run to clear there, which of course was largely because I intentionally nerfed all the gear on these units. Like Brieg didn't have an artifact, and I broke his pen set too, Lionheart Serbia. I didn't give her Daydream Joker, and also she didn't have her imprint, and I also nerfed some of the pieces on her. That's why she had a pink chest. So stuff like that would contribute to extending the duration of the run. If you have better gear on the units, then the run will be a little bit shorter. But even then, you can see after Brieg dies, Cadis is low enough that Sirmia and Tamarin can finish it off, and they're never really at any threat of dying in the first place. So now we can take a look at the higher end version of this run. It's just whatever I currently have on the units. I didn't intentionally try to lower their stats or anything. But we can take a look and then I'll show you the run. So for Lionheart Sirmia, she's still on pretty much the usual bruiser stuff. This is just whatever I have that I'm not using because I gave all her gear to Dilibet already. But it's the typical defense plus crit chance and crit damage. Her speed doesn't matter too much. I have her on defense main boots, but you can give her speed main boots if that's what you have on her and it'll work fine. And then for her artifact, I have her on Golden Rose. Daydream Joker is probably better. I just don't feel like swapping. And then there's Brieg. I've just got him on Speed Pen, and my artifact gives me 15% crit chance, so 70 works fine, otherwise need 85. It's just the usual HP, speed, and crit damage with crit chance. And then Tamarin's her usual scuffed gear, with Magaraha's Tomb, good amount of speed. And then now I will show you guys a run.
때가 되었다. 어리석은 탐욕을 위해 베풀참입니다.
지쳤어? 이제 시작인데? 사자는 토끼를 잡을 때도 최선을 다하는 법이거든. 빛이여, 나에게 힘을.
하!
나는 영웅의 운명을 타고난 자, 운명의 맹세코, 너를 베어주지.
주제 모르는 자의 자만은 가소로울 뿐이다.
하!
정령왕의 힘은
미지를 밝히는 등불이여. 점점 불타오르는데? 너 마음에 들었어.
새 노래를 들어주세요. 신사숙녀 여러분,
무의미한 가락을 거듭할수록 네 가치는 사라질 뿐이다.
그럼 가볼까? 타! 지쳤어? 이제 시작인데?
어리석은 탐욕을 위해 해풀잡이는 없다.
반짝이는
나는 영웅의 운명을 타고난 자, 운명의 맹세코, 너를 베어주지. 가라.
어설픈 진심을 다해야 이겠지. 주제 모르는 자의 자만은 가소로울 뿐이다.
So with the better stats on Brig and LHC, even without Daydream Joker on LHC, that went way faster. Brig didn't even come close to dying. There was pretty good RNG on that run. It was like 2.5 minutes. So this higher end run, while 2.5 minutes is really slow, it's definitely a lot more reasonable to run than the 4.5 minute run that I had previously. I'd still probably only do this for quick battles, but if you've got time to spare, then this is much more viable for doing normally. For Midnight God Lilius, I took off her self-imprint, and I'm going to move Tamarin and Brieg into the slots where they aren't affected by it, even though attack's pretty useless for them. Swap to a lower Wind Rider and nerfed all her gear. If you have Torrent, that's much better than Penset, you should use that instead. All that matters for Lilius is attack, speed, and crit damage. The more damage and speed the better, because her only non-attack skill is her S2, and that'll only activate when the boss goes below 50%, so you want to try to get to that point as fast as possible.
헛된 꿈을 꾼 자들은 말로가 비참한 법이지. 몸이 가슴하고
정령왕의 힘은 주제 모르는 자의 자만은 가소로울 뿐이다.
카일라? 최선을 다해 발버둥 쳐봐. 물론 의미 없는 짓이지만.
뒤를 막고 무의미한 가락을 거듭할수록 네 가치는 사라질 뿐이다.
가라.
때가 되었다. 어리석은 탐욕을 위해 해풀잡이는 없다.
새 노래를
주제 모르는 자의 자만 가소로울 뿐이다.
내 손을 더럽힌다는 걸 영광으로 알거라. 나설 때가 됐나?
여기에요.
물어뜯어. 타라.
진심을 다해야 이겠지. 혀!
반짝이는
무의미한 가락을 거듭할수록 네 가치는 사라질 뿐이다.
지금
The biggest issue with this team is, of course, you can see that Brieg had 2 chances to land Death Break, and if he misses both Death Breaks, Gala, when she takes that turn with 4 stacks on her, her S1 will not get Katie's below 50% HP if Brieg misses both Death Breaks, and then she'll end up with 5 stacks, and then she will die. So that's the primary RNG part. You've got a 97.75% chance to land Death Break there, but sometimes you miss, and also there's the issue of if Gala dual attacks off of Brieg or Tamarin S1 early, then she can get an extra stack, and she will hit 4 stacks earlier than she should, and she will die when the KDs plus the ads take their turn. So this is the high-end Midnight Gala Lilius team. Brieg and Tamarin stats are same as in the Cermia team for the high-end teams, but it's just this. I've got him with a decent amount of bulk, might want a little bit more, honestly. Then speed, crit chance, crit damage on a DPS RD. Tamarin's just my usual Scuffed Tamarin on Magaraha's Tomb. And then here is my Medical Lilius. So I have her on Daydream Joker because I don't use her in PvP anymore, which really means that I should take some of this gear off of her, but here's on Speed, Torrent, the usual really fast Gala nuker build, and I have her on Daydream Joker. If you use her in PvP, Wind Rider does work, but because of her S2 non-attack only happens when Case is below 50% HP, you do want higher damage to get there faster. So let's DDJ on her, because right now I only use her for Nightmare Raid anyways. And we can take a look at the run.
내 손을 더럽힌다는 걸 영광으로 알거라. 몸이 가슴하고
저리 가세요.
때가 되었다. 무의미한 가락을 거듭할수록 네 가치는 사라질 뿐이다.
지금 헛된 꿈을 꾼 자들은 말로가 비천한 법지.
어리석은 탐욕을 위해 해풀 잡이는 자.
저리 가세요.
정령왕실 힘을
최선을 다해 발버둥 쳐봐. 물론 의미 없는 지시겠지만 지시를 내리죠.
주제 모르는 자의 자만은 가소로울 뿐이다.
제 노래를 들어주세요. 신사숙녀 여러분,
파일라
여기에요.
물어뜯어.
So you can see during this run, because my Gala is so fast, I actually get 2 S3s off before that turn where Gala hits 4 stacks, because when she hits 4 stacks, she's going to die. If the ads take a turn, rather. So on the second S3, because I do 2 S3s and plus my damage is pretty high, I am able to get Katie's below half HP, even if Brieg misses Death Break, which you didn't see there, but you can just check the damage that she was dealing. She would have gotten him below half even without Death Break. So that part is consistent now. The issue is still if Gala dual attacks off of Tamarin or Brieg S1, there is a turn where she had 3 stacks, where she's 100% safe on that turn if she has 3 stacks, but if she dual attacks, she would have had 4 stacks. And then if the ads and the boss hit her, I think probably 2 times, she would have died. So that's where the inconsistency is. Not super high chance for it to happen, but still a chance for it to happen, so it's not fantastic. And Lionheart Survey is definitely still better. So that is it for the Katie's 13 3-man team. It's really nice for just friendship farming while we're doing hunts, as Rift is not available, but if you are a hunt enjoyer and you do hunts all the time, then you can potentially look into working this run into your quick battles and get some Katie's gear while you're at it, because Katie's hunt is an absolute pain to farm.